Welcome to another ShareFrame Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll have a closer look at line studies. We can add line studies in one of three ways. You can either click on them from the toolbar on the left. You can either click on Insert and Line Studies and choose the line study you'd like. Alternatively, you can just simply right-click in the white spot, go to Line Studies, and select the line study you wish to use. Let's add some line studies. I'm going to use the quick access menu method. So I'm going to right click, I'm going to go to line studies, and let's put a horizontal line. All I'm going to do is I'm going to left click and I'm going to select where I want the line. So let's say I want it here. I'm going to left click once and the line study has been applied. Let's add another. Right click, line studies, horizontal line, and let's say that this one we want to add over here. There are the two line studies that we've chosen. Let's say, for example, you want to move the line study from where it is here now to down here. All you have to do is left click and hold the mouse button in and drag it down to the location that you want. So all you do is you left click on the line study and hold the left click in and you move it down, or up for that matter. Let's say that you now wish to remove the line study. You can do that in one of two ways. You can either click on the line study itself and then press the delete button, like so. Let's add them again. Or we can remove them both at the same time by simply right clicking in the white spot in the graph and selecting delete all study lines. There they are removed. Let's try a trend line. Right click, line studies, trend line. Once you've selected the trend line, you will see the mouse cursor turns into a pencil. So what this means is you'll need to left click in the starting position and then moving the mouse cursor to the end position. Then you can select the style, the weight, and the color. For this purpose, I will leave everything as default. Click on OK, and there is the line study. Let's insert another. So I want to do it from here to there. And let's choose green, click on OK, and there's the green line study. Let's do another. There we go. I'll choose blue. I'll click on OK. And there we have three line studies, or trend lines. To remove them is quite simple. All you have to do is you can just left click and you'll see that there's two little squares on the line itself, which means the line is selected. And then you just press the delete button on the keyboard. Let's say, for example, we wish to move this particular line. All you have to do is left click on it like I have done, and it will provide you with the two squares. Then you simply left click and hold it in on the actual line itself, and then you can drag it to wherever you want to, and then you let go of the mouse button. So let's do that again. Select the line study, press and hold the left click mouse button in, and drag it to the location of your choice. Once you release the mouse button, the line will be placed in that location. Let's say we now want to remove these two trend lines from our graph. As per the previous method, just left click and press the delete button. Alternatively, you can just right click in an empty spot and you can select the option that says delete all study lines. And the lines have now been removed. This concludes the video. Thanks for watching. Till the next one.